How to add a button hover effect in Figma. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, start by creating a frame of desktop size, then add a text box and under that add a login button with a color fill. Then make a variant for the button. Choose the variant option in the top column. Here in the screenshot attached, it is highlighted in yellow color. Name the variant to hover. Then create a similar button outside of the frame and change its fill color and text color. Make it as a component by right-clicking on it. Then go to Prototype tab and select the symbol of plus on the login button and connect it to the component lying into outside the frame through the arrow. After that, change the settings of the prototype being formed. Select the option of while hovering and the rest options such as ease in and after transition of 300 milliseconds. Select the option of open overlay and set the background manually, then you're good to go. That's how to add a button hover effect in Figma. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.